In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana, a powerful tool for project management and team collaboration. Imagine having all your tasks organized, your deadlines clear, and your projects streamlined in one place. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Asana, that dream can become a reality. So let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps you'll need to take to set up your Asana account. First things first, let's open up your preferred web browser and head over to asana.com. Once you're on the Asana homepage, you'll see an option towards the top right corner that says either Get Started or Sign Up. Go ahead and click on that. This is going to lead you into the sign up process, which is designed to be as seamless as possible. Now that you're on the sign up page, there are a few different options for you to consider. You can choose a sign up using your Google account. This is particularly handy if you're already a Gmail user, as it makes the sign up process much quicker with fewer details to fill in. For those of you who are committed Apple users, you have the option to sign up using your Apple account. And of course, if you prefer the traditional route or don't fall into either of these categories, you can simply enter your email address manually. If you're opting to sign up with your email, you'll need to enter some basic details. First, input your full name so that your team members or collaborators know who you are in Asana. The next step is to enter your email address, double checking to ensure there aren't any typos that could cause issues down the road. After that, you'll need to create a password. Try to choose something that's both secure and memorable. Once you've filled in these details, click on the Sign Up button to continue forward. Now, to wrap things up, there's one final yet crucial step: verifying your email address. This is to make sure that all your information is correct and to finalize your Asana account setup. You should receive an email from Asana in your inbox shortly after signing up. Go ahead and open that email and look for a verification link within the message. Click on that link and you'll be redirected back to Asana, confirming that your email address is indeed valid. With your email verified, you are now officially ready to start using Asana. Take a moment to explore the various features it offers, such as creating projects, assigning tasks, and setting deadlines. Whether you're managing a small team or juggling multiple projects, Asana is here to help you stay organized and productive. Thanks for sticking with me through these steps, and happy organizing!